and girls. I hope that you had a great Wednesday and Earth Day. I'm very excited to see how your Earth Day projects turn out, and I can't wait to share them with Miss GB. So hopefully they make it into the announcements. Um, Today we are going to be talking about, is there water in the air? So first things first. Please go to brainpop.com, and I even linked it right here. So when I click on brainpop.com, it brings me to this page. Once we are in this page, we are going to click on the Science tab. Once we are in Science, we are going to find the Earth Science Unit or Earth System Unit, which is right on the top right hand corner. And then once we are there, we're going to find humidity. So you can either search it by typing in HUM and it'll pop up, or you can just scroll through. It's in alphabetical order and you can find humidity. Now, it'd be really nice if we could just play this video, but instead it's going to make us log in. So the username is Linsmeyer2020 with a capital L, and the password is Pulaski2020 with a capital P, because those are both proper nouns. Now, if you notice, there are no spaces either after the letters either. So I'm going to type in my stuff right now. And then I am logged in. Once you are logged in, all we are doing today is watching the video. We will be doing another Brain Pop video either, I think it's next week, or maybe a few weeks after that, for the water cycle and groundwater. So for today, all you're going to do is you're going to hit play, and then you can start watching the video. Once you are done with the video, it tells you to go into Canvas and complete the relative humidity worksheet. So again, this is an external link. So I'm going to go to my assignments tab. I'm going to find virtual learning. Here is the relative humidity worksheet. Once you click on it, your page is not going to look like mine right away. Again, you need to go scroll down and authorize in the bottom left hand corner. You have to click authorize, saying, yep, I'm a Pulaski Google member, and blah, 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 blah. Once you authorize your account, your screen will look like mine. To get a hold of this document and to fill it in, all you have to do is click on these three blue words in the upper left hand corner. After you click on the blue words, it is going to take you to your own document. And now, lo and behold, this is my document. And it looks kind of scary, but it's pretty easy. So I'm going to help you through it. The readings on the psychometer for the dry bulb thermometer and the wet bulb thermometer are shown below. We are going to find the relative humidity by completing the table below. So, to find the relative humidity, we need to have a dry bulb meter and a wet bulb meter. So dry bulb, wet bulb. Okay? We are going to find the difference between the wet bulb, or between the dry bulb and the wet bulb meter. Then we are going to use the chart to determine the relative humidity expressed as a percent. So let's do the first one together. So if the first one has a dry bulb of 19 and the second one, the wet bulb, has a temperature of 16, what is the difference? Now remember, difference is just saying subtraction. So what is 19 minus 16? Well, the answer is 3. Now we have to go to this fancy chart on the left-hand side and we have to fill that in. So what was the dry bulb reading? It was 19, so I'm going to go down to 19. Now if you'll notice, there's 5 different percents here. And to find the percent, we need to look for the difference. Well, we said 19 minus 16 is 3. So I'm going to go down the third column because that was the difference between the wet bulb and the dry bulb. And I'm going to go down until I find 19 because that's the dry bulb reading. And I notice I get to the number 74. So that means the relative humidity would be 74%. Okay, so then you're going to do the same thing. Find the difference between 29 and 25. Put your answer here. Then go to the chart and find 29 because that's the dry bulb reading. Then go over how many the difference is between 29 and 24. And that's your answer. And you put your answer right there. All right, so you're going to finish filling in this chart. Now, once you hit this stage of the chart, it gets a little bit trickier. So to do this, you got to think backwards. So if I know I have a dry bulb temperature of 19, I'm going to find the temperature reading 19 for dry bulb. And I know that the percent humidity is 82%. So if I know that this is my percent humidity, if I go up, what number or what is the difference between the wet bulb and the dry bulb? Well, that would be 2 because I'm in the second column. So I know I have a difference of 2. Now I need to figure out, okay, 19 minus what number gets me a difference of 2? Well, if I take 19 minus 2, my answer would be 17. Let's double check that. Is 19 minus 17 2? Yep. And when I go to 19 in the dry bulb column and I go over 2 columns or rows, do we get to 82%? Yes, I do. So I know that this answer is correct. So by watching this video, you got 4 free answers, and you should know how to watch the Brain Pop video and use this chart. Once you are done filling in this chart, which it should go pretty fast, all you have to do is go back to Canvas by double-clicking your home screen, clicking the Canvas URL or tab or window that's open, and in the upper right-hand column, upper right-hand corner, all you have to do is hit submit. I hope this helped. Remember, I am on my office hours from 9 to 12 today, so you can pop in anytime today, or you can always go back to Monday or Tuesday's announcements and sign up for a Google Meet time to work one-on-one with me. All right, I hope you have a great day. Goodbye, boys and girls.